Now we're talking. Oh yeah. Oh. That's great. Annyeonghaseyo from Korea. Welcome to Next Matchup. Today we're making Bibim Guksu. Bibim Guksu is this thing right here. It's spicy Korean cold noodles. If you're interested in seeing me eat it, go to the end of the video and you can watch me enjoy this delicious dish. See you soon. This is such a quick and easy recipe to make, and one of the reasons is the ingredients. All of the ingredients for the sauce are really simple ingredients that you'll find in any kitchen that is prepared for Korean cooking, of course. Now the toppings, you can choose pretty much whatever you want. Choose something that you have that you think will go well with noodles that are going to be spicy. However, that sauce, follow the directions and the ingredients as close as you can, because this sauce turns out perfect. Cannot stress that enough. Made a lot of these sauces and this one is great. Admittedly, you have to kind of have the same taste as me. I like a thicker sauce compared to a runnier sauce. So I guess if you want a runnier sauce or maybe a little bit of a milder sauce, then go a little bit easier on the gochujang. The gochujang gives it that thickness. I mean, look at me, I'm loving eating it. Boiling these noodles couldn't be simpler. We know what to do. We're gonna chuck them on the boil. They're gonna take about 5 minutes, and while they're doing that, let's prepare our other ingredients. Remember, we can do this in under 10 minutes. How you cut your cucumber is up to you. Even using cucumber is up to you. There's a lot of different things you can use instead of cucumber. I'm just cutting it in this way. You can cut it thin or thick. Your sesame seeds also, they don't need to be ground up, but I love the texture of ground up sesame, especially on this dish in particular. Look, it's 5 minutes later and the noodles are ready. See how easy this is? In this time, let's get them off the boil and cool them down as fast as we can. Washing them with cold water. As usual, get the hands in there, we're removing that starch. I'm using one hand for a minute, and then the best way is to get both hands and rub it. Rub it like you're doing laundry, rub it like you're scrubbing down something that you're trying to clean in the wash. I've got a little bit of a cold water bath for them. I really want these to be cold because it is hot today. When it comes to plating, it's up to you. A lot of people, they'll just mix it all in so that you get this sort of quite red noodle looking thing. Not really into that because I find it just doesn't have the texture that I want. I want to mix it myself, and I want bits that are spicier and bits that are a little bit less spicy. And then of course how you put the radish and things on top is up to you. Even if you put them on top, use the toppings that you have handy that look good for what sort of situation you're in. Let's see how it... That was as fun to plate as it was to make, but I guarantee this, it won't be as fun to eat because I know this is going to taste delicious. It's got all my favorite flavors. I love this stuff. This is my favorite type of seaweed. I could eat this with rice. To add this with the sauce, it's going to be good. I love pickled radish that we put on top. And our sauce, it's vinegary, it's spicy. I love gochugaru, I love gochujang. Everything I like is in this dish, and it's with my new favorite noodles. So, it's gotta be good, right? Let's find out how good it is. I'm making a mess. Forget spaghetti, you've gotta try this, okay? It's exactly what I expected. That is fantastic. This is the flavor of Korea. It's that sweet little bit of sugar in there. The vinegar matches with the spice from the red pepper paste and the red pepper flakes. Combines to get this, like I've said before, it's like eating a bag of salt and vinegar chips. Perfect blend of flavors, and then you've got the crunch of the sesame. That ground up sesame is great with it, as well as the crunchy gim that we've got. And that's of course also salted, so you've just got this great blend of flavors. This is easily one of my favorite dishes now. Now, I didn't do this when I was plating it because it just doesn't look good. You gotta make it look good when you plate these things. But the real way to eat this is to take all of this and dump it on and then overdo it with this one. Oh, there we go. Get most of this on there. Oh yeah. Let's get it all. Get it all. It's not much to look at, but this is how you eat it. Now we're talking. Oh yeah. Oh. That's great. Well, hope you enjoyed the video. Make this. You must make it. I demand it. If you make no other Korean dish, try to make this. Some of the ingredients are tough to find, but if you've got a Korean mart anywhere, these are the basic Korean ingredients. I pretty much made this tonight because I had it in the house. I was like, why not, right? You don't need aged kimchi for this one. Most places that if you can get one Korean ingredient, you can get all of these. So go home, well, you're already at home probably, but if you're not at home, go home and make this dish and tell me how it went. Enjoy the rest of your day or your week, and 안녕히 계세요 from Next Macho. Thanks for watching.